Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is a question, October 23, 51 variant, question number 1. It is a combination of geometrical probability and binomial probability. Hazim repeatedly throws two ordinary dice of 6 sides, okay, same time. And on each occasion, the score is a sum of the two numbers obtained. So sum, okay. So best technique, this is not a compulsory, but is a little bit hard without this diagram. So as a teacher, I suggest you make it, okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And he said he's adding up, he adds the number sum. So 1 plus 1 naturally give us 2. 1 plus 2 will give us 3. And rest I'm not showing. 4, 5, 6, 7. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And 7, 8, 9, 10. Those are not a compulsory. And what is said, find the probability. It take exactly 5 throws. Exactly 5 throws. So R is 5. On a 2 dice, if Hazim to obtain a score of 8 or more. So score of 8 or more. How many score 8 or more? So all these numbers, I think, is our plan. 8 or more. So count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So probability is 15 over 36. So 5 threes are, and 3 5 times and 3 12 times. I think it's clear. So I got 1536. 3 5s are and 3 1s are 3 2. Correct. Okay. P becomes 5 by 12. Q is naturally 7 by 12. And what he said that exactly 5 throws we have to get this score. So actually he did not mention n, so this behaving as a geometrical probability. And we have a special formula for geometrical probability. X is equals to R q to power R minus 1 into P. And I plug in each R by what? Because he said that exactly 5 throws. So I have to replace R by 5. So X is equals to 5 and Q is 7 by 12 and P is 5 by 12 and here 5 minus 1. And finally, I get my answer 0.0482. So I believe the point is very clear. So let's go for part number B. Part B, what it says, the probability that takes no more than 4. No more than 4. So if I show on number line system, no more than 4 obtained. So it means no more than 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. No more than 4 means 4 and lesser. 4 and lesser. This I don't want, and onwards don't want. Again, this geometrical probability, and it means this. I need, and you know it very well. The sum of the all is 1. So how we can find the probability? 1 minus, can I call these values more than 4? Correct. I can say here probability X value is more than 4. So if I find it, I can get my answer so easy. And have a look now. So 1 minus, and what is the formula for more? You know, we have two formulas for geometrical probability. One formula for equal to R and one formula is more than R. Equals to R is Q to power R minus 1 into P, but more than is a Q to power R only. And I can use this formula here. So I can say Q, and Q is what? You know it very well. Q is 7 over 12. So 7 over 12 to power 4. I think this point is clear. And if I check in calculator, so answer is turned to be 0.884. So I believe up till here points very clear. So this, okay, but now you realize it. Fine, for the 8 random chosen thrown, it means n is equal to 8. So sample of 8 is given. So when sample is given, n is given specially. So this is a topic of binomial probability. Okay, and he's saying that that n is 8. Find the probability Hazim obtain a score of 8 or more. 8 or more. It means this probability P and Q remains same. So let me write it first of all. So n part C, n value is 8 and P value and Q value and P is 5 by 12 and 7 by, let me recheck, 5 by 12? Yeah, and 7 by 12 and n value is 8. And he's saying that score fewer than 3 occasions out of 8, fewer than 3 occasions. What does fewer than 3 occasions mean? If we check it carefully, so it start from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 8 come from here. And fewer than 3 means 2, 1, and 0. So I think it is very clear. And binomial start from 0, where geometrical start from 1. This is very clear. Binomial start from 0. So formula of the binomial, you know, NCR, Q to power N minus R, and P to power R. So I'm going to use this formula 3 times. 1 R is 0, and 1 R is obviously R is equal to 1, and 1 R is equal to 2. So let's apply 8C0, then 8C1, then 8C2. I believe the point is clear. And each first bracket write Q, which is 7 by 12. So 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. 7 by 12 and 5 by 12. I believe nothing hard up till here. And 8 minus 0 is 8 minus 0 and is 0. 8 minus 1 and 1. 8 minus 2 and 2. And if I apply this formula and finally I get 0.282 is my final answer. And I believe your point is very clear and the question is completely over.